Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you. We will be sharing 10 delicious diabetic-friendly recipes that you absolutely must try. These recipes are not only healthy, but they are also bursting with flavor. So, if you have been looking for some new and exciting dishes to add to your repertoire, you have come to the right place. Let's get cooking. Recipe 1. Zucchini Noodle Stir Fry. First up, we have a zucchini noodle stir fry that is a game changer. This dish is packed with fresh veggies and protein, making it a perfect meal for those looking to keep their blood sugar levels in check. To make this dish, simply spiralize some zucchini and sauté it with bell peppers, carrots, and snap peas. Add in some tofu or chicken for a boost of protein and finish it off with a delicious stir-fry sauce made from low-sodium soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. This zoodle stir-fry is not only easy to make, but it is also incredibly tasty. Recipe 2. Grilled salmon with avocado salsa. Next, we have a mouth-watering grilled salmon with avocado salsa that is sure to impress. Salmon is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to help improve insulin sensitivity. Pairing it with a fresh avocado salsa adds a creamy and tangy element to the dish. Simply season your salmon with some lemon pepper and grill it until it is cooked to perfection. Then, top it with a refreshing salsa made from diced avocados, tomatoes, red onions, cilantro, and lime juice. This dish is not only good for you, but it is also a feast for the senses. Recipe 3. Cauliflower crust pizza. Who says you have to give up pizza when you're watching your sugar intake? This cauliflower crust pizza is a healthier alternative that tastes just as delicious as the real deal. To make the crust, simply pulse cauliflower florets in a food processor until they resemble rice. Mix in some eggs, cheese, and seasonings, then bake it until it is crispy. Top your crust with your favorite pizza toppings, such as marinara sauce, mozzarella cheese, and vegetables. This guilt-free pizza will satisfy your cravings without causing a spike in your blood sugar levels. Recipe 4. Chicken and vegetable stir-fry. Stir-fry dishes are a great option for those looking to eat healthier without sacrificing flavor. This chicken and vegetable stir-fry is no exception. Loaded with lean protein and colorful veggies, this dish is a winner in our book. Simply sauté some chicken breast strips with a mix of broccoli, bell peppers, onions, and snap peas. Season it with a blend of ginger, garlic, and low-sodium soy sauce for an extra kick of flavor. This stir-fry is easy to whip up and will keep you satisfied for hours. Recipe 5. Quinoa stuffed bell peppers. Quinoa is a nutrient-dense grain that is high in fiber and protein, making it a great choice for those with diabetes. These quinoa stuffed bell peppers are not only delicious, but they are also a cinch to make. Simply cook your quinoa according to the package instructions and mix it with black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, and spices. Stuff the mixture into halved bell peppers and bake them until tender. Top them with some fresh cilantro and a dollop of Greek yogurt for a creamy finish. These stuffed peppers are a healthy and hearty meal that will leave you feeling satisfied. Recipe 6. Turkey lettuce wraps. These turkey lettuce wraps are a refreshing and light meal that is perfect for a quick lunch or dinner. Ground turkey is seasoned with a blend of Asian-inspired flavors such as soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. The mixture is spooned onto lettuce leaves and topped with crunchy water chestnuts, green onions, and cilantro. These wraps are not only low in carbs, but they are also bursting with flavor. You won't even miss the traditional tortilla wrap once you try these tasty lettuce wraps. Recipe 7. Sweet potato hash. Sweet potatoes are a great source of complex carbohydrates, which are digested more slowly than simple carbs, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. This sweet potato hash is a delicious and nutritious dish that is sure to become a staple in your meal rotation. Simply dice sweet potatoes and sauté them with onions, bell peppers, and spinach until they are cooked through. Season the hash with paprika, cumin, and a touch of maple syrup for a hint of sweetness. This dish is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner and will keep you full and satisfied. Recipe 8. Mediterranean chicken salad. This Mediterranean chicken salad is a flavor bomb that will have you coming back for seconds. Grilled chicken is paired with a mix of fresh vegetables, such as cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and olives, all tossed in a tangy lemon vinaigrette. Top it off with some crumbled feta cheese and a sprinkle of fresh herbs for an added burst of flavor. This salad is not only delicious, but it is also packed with nutrients that will keep you feeling energized and satisfied. Recipe 9. Banana oatmeal cookies. Who says you can't enjoy dessert when you're watching your sugar intake? These banana oatmeal cookies are a guilt-free treat that you can indulge in without worry. Mashed bananas are mixed with oats, cinnamon, and a touch of honey to create a soft and chewy cookie that is perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. These cookies are not only a healthier alternative to traditional sweets, but they are also a great way to use up overripe bananas. You'll love how easy it is to whip up a batch of these delicious cookies. Recipe 10. Chocolate avocado mousse. Last but certainly not least, we have a decadent chocolate avocado mousse that will satisfy your cravings for something sweet and creamy. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats that can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Blend ripe avocados with cocoa powder, maple syrup, and vanilla extract until smooth and creamy. Chill the mousse in the refrigerator for a few hours to let the flavors meld together. This rich and indulgent dessert is the perfect way to end your meal on a sweet note. There you have it. 10 delicious diabetic-friendly recipes that you have to try. Whether you're looking for a healthy meal idea or a tasty treat, these recipes are sure to satisfy. Eating well doesn't have to be boring or bland, and these dishes prove just that. We hope you give them a try and enjoy every bite. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes like these.